Franjo. Je, gre na Finsko.
Na Finsko, ok, hvala lepa. Lep dan.
Franjo, bodi fajn.
Ajde, čao.
Živijo.
Evo, hvala, bote fajn, živijo. Evo,
Evo.
to so bili naši GLS-ovci.
Okay, we just tuned in. This is a walkthrough our regular working day. We just got this many packages. They've come from Denmark, and what else? Denmark and Sweden, I guess. Now we're gonna open the boxes. Here we open the boxes, and here is where the first stage starts. Every stick needs to be thoroughly checked. Once the boxes are opened and we get the sticks out, we make sure every stick is perfect, or otherwise it doesn't go through and we don't repair it. So we can see here. Whenever we see a crack or some imperfection, we sign it and see, like here, and we check it to make sure that the stick is solid. Otherwise, sticks get cut in pieces and then combined to make one perfect stick. See, the stick was broken here, but we always make sure we check the whole stick to see if it's damaged in other parts or if it's otherwise okay. This is our storage area. This is pretty much how many sticks we still need to repair. Once the sticks are checked, they are classified. We had good and bad sticks, which move to the second phase.
Hello.
Hi, Dax.
Hello.
Where we prepare them to be repaired or signed to get cut, so we can then combine different pieces of the same stick to make one perfect stick. This is our packing area. This is where we pack our sticks so the couriers can take them into the world. These are boxes. Now this is an area where we cannot enter, obviously, because here is where the most technological part gets done, and since this is a proprietary technology, we don't want to show everything, but we're going to move on. This is the place where most of the dirty work gets done, like extending the sticks, cleaning the sticks, cutting the sticks. Here's Matej. Hi, Matej. Now, most of the sticks have to be extended to 170 centimeters. So this is what we use the wooden extensions for. One day, hopefully, we'll be able to extend the sticks with carbon extensions, but until then, this is how we prepare the sticks so they can enter the store and get sold. We make sure that every extension feels good in the hands. Now there are some other areas where the even more dirty work gets done, like cutting the sticks, and this includes working in carbon dust. No. And here's where some pretty spacey stuff resides. Some air masks. See, this working with carbon fibers is not a clean or easy job. We need to have special protective equipment, and that's what these masks are for. We've got some nice company here, obviously, next to the hockey players. Now this is our office. These are all refurbished sticks waiting to be sold. And this is our studio.